Hi, I hope you guys are doing great. If large open pores is bothering you, do you know you can get rid of it permanently in just 3 days? For some people, the pores are wider, deeper, or more prominent than they should be. And that's probably because they are clogged or not as tight as you would like. This gives kind of a premature aged look even at a very young age. There are a few reasons for this large open pores. If you leave your makeup overnight on your skin, or if your skin is very oily, then it clogs the pores, and that's the main reason for large open pores. Even if you sweat a lot, that may also make the pores large. We are going to see a very effective remedy in closing this large open pores permanently, and it also removes the blackheads and whiteheads from your face. The home remedy that I am going to show you contains two parts. The first thing is we are going to use a natural serum to close the open pores and tighten it, and then a face pack to remove the blackheads and to prevent the open pores occurring in the future. This remedy also treats acne and reduces the UV rays damage to your skin. Take a moment to subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss out on anything in the future. You can also check out my website, which is writerpath.com. For making the face serum, we need tomato juice. Tomato is a natural astringent. It reduces open pores and blackheads. It also acts as a skin lightener. It brightens the dull skin. I'm taking the juice of half a tomato. Just crush it into a pulp and filter out the skin and seeds. Add 1 teaspoon of rose water to this. You need to be using the natural rose water, not the scented ones, which is artificial. If you want good quality rose water, I'll give you the link below this video. Rose water is a powerful tonic solution. Besides shrinking the large pores, it also restores skin's natural pH levels, fights against acne and dark spots. Rub this mixture on your face and neck and massage it for 5 minutes, letting the juice saturate into the pores. Leave on for 15 minutes and then wash off with warm water. After using this face serum, you need to apply this face pack to close the pores. Take half teaspoon of Multani Methi, which is called as Fuller's Earth Clay. One of the main reasons for open pores is the excess sebum production. It's more common in people with oily skin. This Multani Methi deep cleanses, reduces inflammation, minimizes the appearance of pores, and also heals pimples. Add 1 teaspoon of rice flour to this. If you don't have rice flour, then just grind a handful of uncooked rice into a fine powder. A secret for clear skin is to use rice in your skincare routine. It's a natural cleanser, an exfoliator which brightens up the skin and tightens the large pores. Add a tablespoon of aloe vera gel to this. It is super quick in reducing the size of your pores. Aloe vera is also great in reducing wrinkles and age spots. Mix this until you see the mixture becoming more and more cohesive and the ingredients seem almost completely blended with each other. Apply a thin layer of this face mask on your face and neck. Let this stay for 15 to 20 minutes until it dries, then wash it off with warm water. You need to use both the face serum and the face mask as well. Right after the first use itself, you'll see the pores are starting to shrink. But you need to continue it for 3 days to get rid of it completely. It's a great natural remedy and it's also wonderful for your skin. If you want to see more natural remedies, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Take care guys. Bye-bye.